Once upon a time, Rwanda was a beautiful place of peace and harmony, of love, no agony. But I was told that my home was once in vain, that my people were divided, killed, and died in pain. Then I remember when I was too young, eager to know, my dad told me that when I will grow, I will understand though. My mind filled with so many whys, because I've heard stories of brothers and sisters who were thrown in lakes and rivers, uncles and aunties who lost their identities and roots, brothers and sisters who were completely wiped out, and families who we lost. And today, as we gather together to remember them, we remember them, for we can preserve the memories to build solution from their tragedies. And we remember them, for we can mourn their absence and live as if it was their existence. And we remember them, for we can break chains of discrimination to avert fruits of education. And we remember them, for we can breed the Rwanda we want, always moving on the front. Rubyiruko rwiza, mizero y'ejo hazaza, mashami yashibutse ku babyeyi batwibarutse, ni mucyo twibuka imiryango yacu yazimye, ntibakazime twararokotse. Twubake ubumwe, dukorere hamwe. And never forget that we are always told that we are tomorrow. We are a new chapter of change that we want to create. And we are a generation lighting candles of hope and dignity, of values and prosperity. 25 years are passing wind. May it instill in us resilience to collect people's broken pieces. Erega turi u Rwanda, nous sommes le Rwanda. Nawe uri u Rwanda, tu es le Rwanda, nanjye ndi u Rwanda, moi aussi je suis le Rwanda. À nos chers parents, amis, frères et sœurs qui ont été tués pendant le génocide perpétré contre les Tutsis en 1994, le malheur qu'on a vécu de les avoir perdus ne doit pas nous faire oublier le bonheur de les avoir connus. Even though our family chains are broken and nothing seems to be the same, there is hope. There is hope that our children and children of our children will link them. Abana bacu n'abana b'abana bacu bazahuza imiryango yacu, so that in the future we can live in a world free of genocide. Tube mu isi izira genocide, and the struggle continues. A luta continua, twibuke twiyubaka.